Best carbide burrs for cylinder head porting. Cylinder head porting is one of the most effective ways to improve airflow, increase engine efficiency, and unlock additional horsepower and torque from an engine. Whether you are working on a high-performance racing engine, a street performance build, a drag racing application, or a restoration project, the quality of your port work can significantly influence engine performance. While experience and technique play major roles in achieving successful results, selecting the correct carbide burr is equally important. The shape, cut style, and material compatibility of the burr determine how efficiently material can be removed and how much control the operator has throughout the porting process. Carbide burrs are specifically designed to remove metal quickly while maintaining excellent durability. Unlike grinding stones that wear rapidly and generate excessive heat, tungsten carbide burrs stay sharp for long periods and can handle demanding cylinder head work. The challenge for many beginners and even experienced engine builders is choosing the right burr shape for the specific area being ported. Different sections of a cylinder head require different tools, and understanding which burr shape performs best in each area can dramatically improve both efficiency and final results. One of the most popular carbide burr shapes used in cylinder head porting is the flame-shaped burr. This design features a tapered body that narrows to a rounded point, making it ideal for reaching into tight areas within intake and exhaust ports. The flame burr provides excellent control when blending short side radii, smoothing transitions, and reshaping areas where airflow changes direction. Because of its pointed profile, the flame burr can access areas that larger burrs cannot reach. Many professional cylinder head porters consider the flame burr one of the most versatile tools in their arsenal because it allows precise material removal while still being capable of removing substantial amounts of metal when necessary. The flame-shaped burr excels when working around valve guide bosses. These protrusions inside the port often create airflow restrictions that can be carefully reshaped to improve flow characteristics. The narrow tip allows the operator to work around these complex contours while maintaining visibility and control. Flame burrs are also commonly used to blend port openings after gasket matching, ensuring a smooth transition from the intake manifold into the cylinder head port. This shape is especially valuable during detailed finishing work where precision is more important than aggressive material removal. Another essential carbide burr for cylinder head porting is the tree-shaped burr. Tree burrs are available with either pointed or radius ends, and they are widely regarded as some of the fastest cutting burrs available. Their larger cutting surface allows rapid material removal, making them particularly useful when substantial reshaping is required. If an intake port needs enlargement, an exhaust runner requires significant modification, or casting imperfections need to be removed quickly, the tree burr often becomes the preferred tool. Tree-shaped burrs are highly effective for opening up restrictive sections of a port. Their geometry allows them to maintain stability while removing material aggressively. When porting older cylinder heads that contain excess casting material, a tree burr can dramatically reduce the amount of time required to achieve the desired shape. Many engine builders begin rough shaping operations with a tree burr before switching to finer shapes for detailed blending and finishing work. The pointed version of the tree burr is particularly useful for accessing deeper areas of the port, while radius end versions provide smoother transitions and reduce the likelihood of creating unwanted gouges. Oval-shaped carbide burrs represent another important category for cylinder headwork. Their rounded profile provides excellent control and smooth cutting action, making them ideal for blending operations and contour shaping. Unlike more aggressive burr designs that can remove large amounts of material quickly, Oval burrs offer a balanced combination of cutting efficiency and precision. This makes them especially valuable when refining airflow paths after major material removal has been completed. Many experienced porters rely on oval burrs for smoothing short side radii, blending bowl areas beneath valve seats, and refining transitions between different sections of the port. Because the shape distributes cutting forces evenly, it tends to create smoother surfaces and more predictable results. Oval burrs are also less likely to dig into the workpiece unexpectedly, making them a favorite among beginners who are still developing their porting skills. When used properly, an oval burr can help create consistent contours that promote efficient airflow throughout the cylinder head. Ball-shaped carbide burrs serve a specialized but extremely important role in cylinder head porting. Their spherical cutting surface allows them to create smooth radii and rounded contours that are difficult to achieve with other burr shapes. Airflow generally prefers smooth transitions rather than sharp edges, making the ball burr invaluable for improving flow characteristics in critical areas. Engine builders frequently use ball burrs to reshape combustion chambers, blend valve bowl regions, and smooth transitions around valve guide bosses. The ball-shaped burr is particularly useful for chamber work where sharp edges must be eliminated to reduce hot spots and improve combustion efficiency. By creating smooth contours within the combustion chamber, the porter can promote more uniform flame travel and potentially reduce the likelihood of detonation. Ball burrs also allow controlled enlargement of localized areas without significantly affecting surrounding surfaces. This precision makes them a common choice for advanced cylinder head modifications, where small changes can have significant effects on airflow and combustion characteristics. While burr shape plays a major role in porting success, the cutting style is equally important. The two primary cutting styles available are double-cut and single-cut carbide burrs. Understanding the differences between these options can greatly influence both cutting performance and surface finish quality. Double-cut carbide burrs feature intersecting cutting flutes that create smaller chips during material removal. This design offers smoother cutting action, improved operator control, and reduced vibration. Double-cut burrs are often recommended for beginners because they are easier to manage and less likely to grab unexpectedly. The smaller chips produced by double-cut burrs also contribute to a cleaner working environment and reduced operator fatigue during long porting sessions. One of the biggest advantages of double-cut burrs is the quality of the surface finish they leave behind. While additional finishing operations may still be required, double-cut burrs generally produce smoother surfaces than single-cut designs. This characteristic is particularly beneficial during blending and contouring operations, where maintaining smooth airflow paths is important. Many professional porters use double-cut burrs for the majority of their cylinder head work due to the excellent balance of material removal speed and precision control. Single-cut carbide burrs feature larger cutting flutes arranged in a single direction. These burrs remove material more aggressively and can cut faster under certain conditions. Because they produce larger chips, they are often favored when substantial material removal is required. However, they can also generate more vibration and require greater skill to control effectively. Inexperienced users may find single-cut burrs more difficult to handle, particularly when working in confined areas within a cylinder head. Single-cut burrs are frequently used during rough port shaping, where maximum material removal is the primary objective. Once the general port dimensions have been established, many builders switch to double-cut burrs for refining and finishing operations. This combination approach allows operators to take advantage of the strengths of both cutting styles while minimizing their respective disadvantages. Material compatibility is another critical factor when selecting carbide burrs for cylinder head porting. Aluminum cylinder heads and cast iron cylinder heads present different challenges, and choosing the appropriate burr can significantly affect cutting performance and tool life. For aluminum cylinder heads, specialized aluminum-cut carbide burrs are highly recommended. Aluminum tends to be softer and more prone to chip loading than cast iron. Chip loading occurs when aluminum particles become packed between the cutting flutes, reducing cutting efficiency and potentially damaging the workpiece. Aluminum-cut burrs feature wider flute spacing specifically designed to prevent chip accumulation and maintain smooth cutting action. These burrs remove aluminum quickly while reducing the risk of clogging. Many professional engine builders also use cutting lubricants or waxes when porting aluminum heads. Applying a specialized burr lubricant helps prevent material buildup and extends tool life. Combined with proper RPM settings and aluminum-specific burr designs, these lubricants can dramatically improve overall porting efficiency. Flame, tree, and oval aluminum-cut burrs are among the most commonly used shapes for aluminum cylinder headwork. Cast iron cylinder heads require a different approach. Because cast iron is harder and more abrasive than aluminum, standard double-cut carbide burrs are often the preferred choice. Cast iron generally does not suffer from chip loading issues, allowing tighter flute patterns to function effectively. Double-cut burrs provide excellent control while maintaining reasonable material removal rates. For aggressive stock removal in cast iron, single-cut burrs may also be used, particularly during initial rough shaping operations. When porting cast iron heads, durability becomes especially important. High-quality tungsten carbide burrs from reputable manufacturers tend to withstand the abrasive nature of cast iron significantly better than lower-quality alternatives. Investing in premium burrs often results in longer tool life, more consistent cutting performance, and lower long-term operating costs. For beginners assembling their first cylinder head porting toolkit, a practical starter set would include a flame-shaped burr, a tree-shaped burr, an oval burr, and a ball burr. These four shapes cover the majority of common porting operations and provide the versatility needed to handle a wide range of cylinder head designs. Selecting double-cut versions of these burrs will generally provide the best balance of control and cutting efficiency, especially for those still developing their porting techniques. Experienced engine builders often expand their collection to include multiple sizes of each shape. Smaller burrs provide access to tight areas and detailed contours, while larger burrs accelerate material removal in more open sections of the port. Having a variety of sizes available allows the porter to match the tool precisely to the task at hand, improving both efficiency and accuracy. Ultimately, the best carbide burrs for cylinder head porting depend on the specific application, cylinder head material, and level of experience of the operator. Flame burrs excel in detailed contouring and tight areas. Tree burrs offer rapid material removal and aggressive shaping capability. Oval burrs provide smooth blending and contour refinement. Ball burrs create radii and chamber contours that enhance airflow and combustion efficiency. Double-cut burrs offer superior control and finish quality, while single-cut burrs maximize material removal speed. Aluminum heads benefit from specialized aluminum-cut burrs with wider flute spacing, while cast iron heads perform exceptionally well with traditional double-cut carbide burrs. By understanding the strengths and ideal applications of each burr shape and cutting style, engine builders can make informed purchasing decisions and achieve better porting results. The right carbide burr not only improves efficiency, but also increases precision helping transform an ordinary cylinder head into a high-flowing performance component capable of supporting significant horsepower gains.
Thanks for watching. If you're looking for high-quality American-made carbide burr tools that are built to cut faster, last longer, and help you get the job done right, visit our website today. We keep our American-made carbide burr tools in stock and ready to ship, with same-day shipping available on orders placed before our daily cutoff time. Whether you're working on metal fabrication, porting, welding, automotive projects, or precision grinding, we've got the carbide burr you need. Visit our website and order yours today.